This is called lattice multiplication. Lattice multiplication also um, uses a box. You'll notice that the box looks a little bit different, and the way that we split up our numbers is a little bit different. It's a little bit of a cheat. We take the number 45 times 68 and we just break our number into 4, 5 for 45 and 6, 8 for 68. You notice that I still have two boxes. Within each box now I have drawn diagonal lines going through each box. Follow this example. I'll talk you through it as it happens, just to explain how lattice multiplication works. So here we are multiplying 5 times 6, and it is 30. 5 times 8 is 40. You'll notice how we split our numbers up. 4 times 6 is 24, and 4 times 8 is 32. Now we add on the diagonal right here. So 0, 0, 4, and 2 is 6, 3, 4, and 3 is 10. So we carried a 1 up here to get 3. This is actually the complete answer to 45 times 68. It's a little more labor intensive to write it all out, a little easier on the addition side of things in comparison to box multiplication. The choice is yours. There's one example. I'm going to try one more example with you. So here we have taken 23 times 47. We've placed 23, 47. And I will go through this with you a little bit slower than the last one. 3 times 4 is 12. So we will write 12 like this. So we're just breaking our number up. 2 times 4. Now 2 times 4 is 8, but we need a number in either one of these boxes. So we will call 8 0, 8. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 times 7 is 14. When we add this up, we add up on the diagonal. So on this diagonal we have 1. This diagonal we have 2 plus 2 plus 4, which is 8. This diagonal we have 10. So we have to place our 0 and carry our 1 and put our 1 up here. So the final answer to 23 times 47 is 1081. Let's try another example. 56 times 91. So again, here's our 56, 91. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 5 is 45. Again, notice how I break up the numbers. Then I go to my bottom. 6 times 1 is 6, so we have to write 0, 6. And 5 times 1 is 5, so we will write 0, 5. Now again, when we add this up, we add on the diagonal, so we always start at the bottom. 6, 9, 5 and 5 is 10. Oops, carry my 1, and our answer is 5. So the answer to this question is 5,096. Let's try one last one to make sure that you really understand how this works. 87 times 14. 87 times 14. 7 times 1 is 7. So we have to write 0, 7. 8 times 1 is 8. 0, 8. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 4 is 32. When we add on our diagonal, all we have here is 8. Here, 7 plus 2 plus 2 is 11. So we need to carry a 1. So now I have 9 plus, or 8 plus 4 is 12. So I need to carry another 1. And I get 1 here. So the answer is 1,218. Now where this seems to be a little bit quicker in some regards, you do need to be able to have access to a piece of paper and a square and some diagonal lines to make this go quick. I will have a template for you that you can use if you choose to do lattice multiplication to avoid having you take all the time to draw it out all the time. But just keep in mind that this isn't a strategy that you're going to want to use for years and years because it isn't very efficient when you have to write it out like that.